Tell me the word of the week this week. I've said it 5 times. Optimism. That was not optimistic. I need a little bit more. Come on. Optimism. Optimism, a mental attitude reflecting a belief or hope that the outcome of a specific endeavor or outcomes in general will be positive, favorable, and desirable. I feel like we are seeing a lot of optimism today from our farm stand, from the products that our chefs have been making, the food, the pastries, everything. And I've been hearing nothing but rave reviews since we've been out there. So I want you guys to be able to give yourselves a round of applause, please. You guys do amazing work, even still in the midst of all of this craziness, and we are still feeding our patients on top of that. Thank you.
Hello. Today I am at Inspira Medical Center, Mullica Hill, and I am excited to show you some of our back office focus, which is actually in our cafeteria. We know that our bistro is one of the things that people love about being here. In about March of this year, we actually started a fruit and farm stand, taking local farmers and having produce come in, and then people can buy it as part of their sort of one-stop shopping. So as we were talking about really featuring this, I also got to talk to some of the chefs. And so we're gonna have a whole little session today where I'm gonna get to share with you behind the scenes how we put things together. So I'm very excited to go ahead and get this started. So go ahead and follow me back. Hey, Kel, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Oh my God, it looks wonderful. We've got the corn and the nectarines. So tell me how this all came to be.
Sure, so I guess a year ago they did a wellness day and we brought out local produce from around the area. And it went over so well that we started doing it again.
With our partnership with Morrison, I know Morrison is, staffs our unit here, and most importantly, they're always willing to help us try new things to be able to meet our employees' needs and our patients' needs. So I'm so grateful to you for your leadership that helps all that happen.
Fried green tomatoes, bacon, and then you got a special sauce next to it.
Yes, I have remoulade sauce and a provolone cheese.
Oh my goodness.
Lettuce, bacon, and the tomato.
What do you think that's going to do to my Weight Watchers count?
No, not do that good.
But it will be worth it probably. All right, Kelly. So I know there are lots of rules about how we work in the back in the dietary section.
I got a tip for you.
Okay.
When you're working with Jazzy, if you're using a knife,
Yep.
a cut glove.
Okay.
Hey guys, how are you? I'm good. Are you ready for me?
Today we're highlighting some of our seasonal ingredients. Today we're doing peaches,
Okay.
which are coming into season, stone fruit, apricots, nectarines, things of that nature.
Yep.
So today for the farm stand, we decided to go with what we're calling a Georgia peach cutie pie.
So now we're just gonna scoop a little bit of the filling. It's just sugar, cornstarch, fresh lemon zest.
Fresh lemon zest.
Yes, brown sugar and vanilla.
Okay.
Very simple.
All right.
Sometimes less is more with stuff like this.
There you go.
There we go. See, the
Perfect.
first one I screwed up, but
Perfect.
yeah,
Yeah,
let's make
it's
that look
okay.
better. Every day, you guys cook how many meals?
So for tray line, we do somewhere around a little bit north of 200.
Wow,
And then
Per meal.
per,
In the
per
rooms.
meal period.
per meal.
And then in the retail space, we cook for anywhere between about 200 to maybe 600 across, maybe a little bit more across all 3 shifts.
All 3 shifts. Okay, so basically you're talking about 1,000 meals a day, and it took me almost 10 minutes to do 8 things, right? So I'm not making the cut here when it comes to the speed. But
Practice makes perfect. We're gonna swing you over to pizza, and we're gonna start working on some of our nice seasonal pizzas that
All right.
we're working on.
I can't wait. Let's
Yes.
go.
We head over there.
We're behind the scenes now, and it's almost busy lunchtime, so I know whatever we're gonna do, we're gonna make sure we get out of your hair, Enrique, I promise.
So here we're on our pizza station. Given that it's a farm stand day, we are looking to work with some of our local produce that come
Okay.
in. Squash,
I love the zucchini, right?
our nice local tomatoes. So we'll
Okay.
be kind of highlighting that today as well with our farm stand. For the veggie one, we're doing a white pizza.
White pizza,
So
okay.
we're gonna start with what we like to call Mama's Blessing.
Mama's blessing.
Mama's Blessing,
The
which
little,
is
little
little
breadcrumbs,
Parmesan.
Little Parmesan.
Little Parmesan
I
as well.
need as many blessings as I can get, so I'm gonna go back in there a little bit.
Seeing you're a big veggie person, we're gonna go with our
The
local squash.
But
whatever.
don't just toss it, because you want it to look pretty, right?
Of course.
Yeah.
And then we just kind of pop
Right, so
it in
you
there.
see I'm letting you do all that. Wow. I know that pizza is our top seller.
Yes.
I mean, that's the thing that, everybody loves a good pizza, and you
Well,
make it look beautiful.
Everything comes from scratch over here, and I think the food speaks for itself. And every day is something different.
Yeah.
I tend not to repeat very often. I like to experiment a lot.
Ryan, this is a huge slice of pizza here.
Yes.
Thanks, Patty. And thank you for all you do. Have a great day.
You too.
Take care. Thank you. And thank you for all the great work you do and for the amazing craftsmanship that you do it with.
Of course, I do it with love.
All right, Chef, you're telling me this is done now, right?
That is done.
All right, and now where am I going with it?
I'll go right here.
Okay. Oh my goodness gracious. It's like landing a plane. You know what? I'm coming here for pizza. This is a nice slice of pizza, man. Thank you guys so much. Thank you for letting me come in, Chef.
very welcome.
I'm
Thank
so
you for having
grateful.
us.
And I'm grateful to your team. Not only do you make sure that our patients get what they need every day, but you also make sure that all of our staff have the sustenance to be able to go back and do great things. And not only just be able to serve the food, but to serve it with love. Until we meet again, be well and stay safe.
All right, you guys ready? Durian, I want you to lead us off.
Great service.
Starts with us. Thank you, guys. Thank you.